Alright guys, we are living the dream right now, I must say. So freaking happy. Y'all have no idea what we're about to do, but we're about to explain everything. We just bought...
We're about to buy. We're on our way to the bank right now.
On our way to the bank to buy a 2000 Winnebago Mini Winnie camper to live in for the next 2 years, and we're so freaking pumped just because it's so cute and it's gonna make our life so much easier to move around in, travel the track meets, do everything we kind of want to do from the road, and also investing in something that I think is a great decision for us. And we can have the dogs, so we're pumped about that. But really, I'm just so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. It's so cute.
It's pretty adorable.
It's so adorable. And we've had hell trying to find a good one. Hell, we have so many stories to tell you. So many crappy ones that we looked at. Because our price range, you know, we couldn't afford a new one, unfortunately. That's okay. We were planning on...
New ones are like $150,000.
Yeah.
Like if they're 3 or 4 years old, they're like $60,000. So we were looking at the 20-year-old ones.
20-year-old ones.
And that market is so hard because half of the stuff doesn't work, and like you're buying a house / automobile that's 20 years old.
Yeah.
And things are constantly breaking and being repaired.
It's really scary.
And then you have sketchy owners. We've had so many sketchy owners.
So many sketchy owners.
I had words with someone.
We almost got into a fight with someone. We bought one.
I don't have words too often, but we had words.
They had some words. Literally 3 days ago, we had bought one.
And then we found out that they lied about something. The tires weren't new. They were 7 years old?
7 years old.
They had they just waxed them
tires
to make it look like they were new. And we bought it, and then I looked at the date on the tires, and it was wrong. My face went white. I was pissed.
He freaked out. He's like, what else? They could be lying about everything else that they told us about.
So mad. So then we just unbought it.
Unbought it. We like made them give the check back. We gave the title back. We ripped up the cashier's check. It was like the scariest thing.
Bill of sale.
Bill of sale. It was the scariest thing ever. But anyways, long story short, it's been a scary road. We looked at a lot of campers
From
the past.
$10,000 all the way up to $28,000,
Yeah.
which was over our price
Yeah.
budget anyways.
But we've been looking for like a month, and we finally found the one, and we're so excited to show you, so stay tuned because we're going to do a, what is it called?
It'd be a house tour.
The house tour. We're going to do the new house tour.
Because we're moving into it in 1 week.
Yes, we are. But we gotta go to Bank of America now because we need to get...
We have to pay these people for the RV.
We have to pay them, so... Okay, so we just picked up the camper, drove it to my brother's track meet in College Station. About to get there now. My family's there. They have no idea what we are doing and just did. No idea that we bought this camper. Have no idea what's about to happen. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna get their first reaction on this camper. It's pouring rain outside though, so they're gonna have to like, I don't know, look at it real quick. Wolf is behind me. I don't know if you can see the camper. Anyways, he's behind me in the camper, driving the camper. I'm about to drop off my car to my mom because I'm selling it to my little sister. It was my mama's car and I wanted to stay in the family, so we're gonna give it to her to have. Anyways, I'm excited. We're almost here. You see that? Wait, we bought that. Come here. He said shut up.
That was not a great way to say it. But see that? Look, we bought that. He's like, shut up.
Shut the fuck up. It's a wolf.
How are you?
How many miles per gallon you get? Oh, you know, the worst ever.
100. It's all electric.
Okay, so look at
There's the bedroom.
Look at all this room.
Hey, welcome home.
Oh my God!
Hey!
Oh my gosh, that's cool.
Awesome. Okay, we just got done showing the family the new camper. I was surprised about their reaction.
They were pumped.
They were fun. I was so happy to see that because I was so worried.
I thought they were going to be like, you kids need to learn some responsibility and
Y'all need some
settle down and
stability.
have grandkids.
I am so glad they were so cool with it and are so excited for us. We're so excited to have it. We'll have an RV tour after we get home because it's still pouring down rain and we have to drive back in it. It's really dangerous.
Look at this. This is our first day in the camper. And it's pouring.
And Wolf's a stud. Wolf's is stuck.
I missed the exit.
You missed the exit. Okay, okay.
You can't
We
distract
have
me.
to focus. All right, Wolf. You want to show him the RV we just bought? And there she is! The Winnebago 2000.
Mini Winnie Deluxe.
Mini Winnie Deluxe.
That's ours.
All right, let's show them.
It's got the E450 Ford chassis on it.
Yep. Super duty.
We're rocking with a V10 Triton.
Uh-huh.
We're pulling hills at 50 miles per hour.
Oh, yeah.
Nice overhang, got some exterior stuff we got to work through. Everything's sealed up tight, it's just a little dirty right now. Don't mind that at all.
Yeah, she needs a new paint job, but she's still cute.
Bunch of lockable storage compartments. We got one there, 4 on the other side.
Four on the other side.
Keep all our track equipment. I'm talking shots, discs, jabs, spikes, clothes, measuring tapes, tape. Boom. Oh, come around back real quick.
Oh, come around back. We're coming around back.
Bikes.
Bikes.
Locked and loaded.
Locked and loaded.
Pole vault poles. You can see the rear end up there.
Pole vault poles. Already got them on.
We'll check that out later. All right. Locks. Screen door action. Automatic steps.
Boom.
Come on in.
Let's go. What we've all been waiting for.
Welcome home. Check it out, guys. 30 feet long. It's got a slide out. It's popped out right now, which means when it slides back in, it compresses so we can drive down the road and not kill anyone.
So here's the slide. Starts from the kitchen all the way to the couch.
Yeah, we got it in a nice sage green with faux marble countertops. We're going to change those, by the way, but that's probably another vlog. We can touch on it here. But anyways, got the dinette that drops down into a bed that sleeps probably 2. Couch. Got the nice cover on it right now because we will reupholster it later. Pulls out, can sleep 2 there. Down here, a couple steps to the cabin. This is where all the driving gets done. Can't drive from back here, unfortunately. Right now, this is a big open space.
It's actually bigger than you think.
It goes back really far.
Really
This
far.
is my favorite part, and it's unlimited possibilities right now.
Well, tell them what you want to do with
Okay,
it.
what I want to do is put our 50-inch TV right here. Entertainment system, sound bar below, shelves, other shelves on the side. So we got storage up there, storage behind the TV, entertainment system, and then a little cushion right here. So it's also a loft for like an 8-foot person.
So this part's a loft, and just like these bins are, that's where the storage is gonna stop and be right there.
Yeah, right now this is just all of our clothes.
All of our clothes. And
Most of our clothes. Oh, check
favorite
this
gadget.
out. So this comes with a generator, which we can use all the outlets. AC runs with the generators on. If you're not plugged in, you can also plug in. Like I'm plugged into my parents' house right now. I feel like I'm talking really fast. I've never talked this fast before. Anyways, but if we're not, we have this generator we bought. It's pretty expensive, but it's 500 watts, and we can charge our phones, computers. We can run fans. Ashtin can do her boots, Normatec boots on them.
Yep.
Yeah, take a breath. Try to get this done fast.
Okay. Well, I will talk. Okay, we have the TV up here. We're gonna take that down because, like Wolf said, we're gonna put the 50 up. But it does have Roku. We got the whole thing set up already. Boom. Got storage bins on this side. Nice big storage. There you go. It's
Got KitchenAid. Of course, you had to bring the KitchenAid.
yes. Being
Vitamins.
Vitamins.
Snacks.
Snacks.
Teas, liquids.
Then you have some
I
more
don't even know what's
stuff.
in here.
That's all my cooking stuff, baking stuff.
So, right off the bat, 1, 2 very big compartments, all for baking.
Yes. You got your bowls.
50
Yes.
cents a piece at Walmart.
Yeah, we have to organize all of our powders and cookbooks
Proteins
and coffee.
and such.
Oh, this is my favorite little spot. This is our little nook in the corner, so our coffee machine and stuff will go with all of our utensils.
Pull it out, plug it in. This tells me all my levels. Fresh water, good. Holding tank 1, 1/3. Holding tank 2, we're a little backed up in the sewage department right now. Not sure why. We're beginners, but we're gonna figure that one out. Battery looks good. So I start my generator if I need to.
Yep. Okay, well, we have a microwave. We have an oven, which was crucial. If it didn't come with the oven, I was gonna buy one.
And a 3-burner
And a
stove.
3-burner stove. Oh, can't forget about the sink. I am going to redo. Oh, yuck.
Let's open the other one.
Yeah, that's gross.
Can't forget about the sink. Oh!
We have some dishes to do.
Alright.
Okay, so I bought a countertop, wood countertop that we're gonna replace this with. So it's gonna look gorgeous when I'm done with it.
It's gonna be a ton of work.
But we're gonna get a new sink, so I have a lot more room to do dishes and repaint this a pretty blue.
I'm a big fan of the blue she chose. The countertop's gonna be
some work.
Some elbow grease.
Yeah.
So is my entertainment system.
All right, let's show them what's next.
Did you show them this?
No.
All right.
Just more cabinet space.
Yeah, but they love this kind of stuff.
Oh, that's
if
true.
you were gonna get an RV,
That's true.
all the
Okay, so we have some like cups and stuff, coffee mugs. I'm gonna eventually hang up on the underneath the walls.
Yeah. So just so you know, this, whenever I'm talking about sliding out and in, this comes in about to right here. Mm-hmm. But that's just when we're traveling down the road.
It's pretty tight.
Additional little pantry.
Oh, we have a whole little pantry right there. It's great for storage. Mm-hmm. And we have these drawers on the side here that we put our silverware and extra utensils, and plus these 2 drawers that I use for baggies and coffee, and forgot what this one. Oh, some of the pans
and potatoes.
And these also have 2 other drawers that I use for my pans and pots. And this is all just like, you know, cleaning stuff.
And over here we have freezer.
Freezer, empty.
Look at that.
And fridge.
Nothing fell out.
Nothing fell. Usually something falls every time.
It's not a big fridge, but it's a fridge and it's cold.
It's always
Just so you know, a lot of people ask and wonder about how the fridge works. The house battery, there's 2 6-volt batteries down there underneath those steps. Mm-hmm. That plus propane reacts with like ammonia or something, and that's what keeps it cold. So propane is what keeps this thing cold mostly. Fun facts. All right.
And then you have your showers, you can see, where everybody can see you shower. Haha, just kidding. We usually close the bathroom door.
Yeah, so this is like a divider.
Boom. Close
Hey guys,
it.
I'm over here.
It's also a 2-for-1. We have our shoe holder here. Okay. And then this divider for this side. There's the divider and another shoe rack because we have a lot of shoes. We do a lot of running. Let me show you the bathroom really quick while he's outside there. So we got some extra room for if you're tall. All of our stuff we wash with. It's pretty big. I like it a lot. Only negative about that, there's no tub for icing. So we bought a blow-up bathtub for icing. I don't know where Wolf went. I think I lost him. Okay, and here is the cute little bathroom. It is adorable. Absolutely love it. There's a lot I want to do to it still. Like we're going to replace the same countertop in the kitchen. We're going to put the wood countertop on here. We don't have a lot of storage, so I really had to get creative with my makeup and just towels and everything. And here, the last part of the bedroom. Look at all that storage. That's storage, storage, nice mirror, storage underneath there. And guess what this is, guys? Just put this in. Washer and dryer units. Oh yeah. Check it out. It's pretty big. We just got that in the mail, so we're so excited to use that. This is a queen size mattress. This also lifts. I don't know if I can do it. And it has like storage underneath there. It also has storage on the side. But it has like a little thing you can open up and see the stars at night. And that's windows. I'm going to put some new blinds there. New blinds. And all new floors. But there she is. We love her. She is great.
So many of you may be asking, why? Perfectly good question. And to that I would have to say, why not? Right, Ashtin?
Absolutely. We love this thing.
Let's go through the reasoning. First off, we go to a lot of track meets. There's a lot of hotels, a lot of airplanes, a lot of expensive fees associated with poles and extra bags and such. Rental cars, hotels. Did I already say poles? Yeah, I said poles. Alright, cool. And my big plan was, hey, what if we got an RV and took it out to Oregon for the Olympic trials? How cool would that be? We'd have all our stuff there, you know, we'd be comfortable, it'd be basically our home. We know we wouldn't forget anything. We get to stay a little longer probably.
Yeah.
And it would be way, way cheaper. And obviously the main expense you cut when you get one of these, rent.
Oh yeah.
And rent is going up in Austin and
Yeah.
everywhere probably.
Yeah. I already did the calculations. So my nerdy self, sorry for this natural look, but I did the calculations and it would cost us $6,000 to extend our lease and pay for every, like, hotels, flights, rental car, everything at the trials. All in all, those 2 months would cost us $6,000 extra on top of what we already pay, utilities, all that stuff. And so we just thought, why not put it into something that we could use in the long run and own, like this baby. And we love her. She's been great. What else? Oh, we also want to do some traveling.
Yeah, we want to travel, we want to vlog. I want to go to Nashville for a couple months this year and give music a shot, get with some songwriters. So any songwriters listening? What's up, my name's Mahler and I'd like to write a song with you. And yeah, and play some open mics around the country, and I don't know, we have a lot of freedom right now.
We're excited. We are young and having fun, as you could tell. We are living it up and enjoying life while we still have the freedom to do so. No kids yet, but we do have dogs.
Yeah, all our friends are having kids, but
Anyway.
we're like, we don't have kids.
Yeah, we don't have kids.
But we got a camper.
We have camper. Anyways, we are so excited for this thing and hope you will tag along with us on our journey with it.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
For our digital hunt for the finals, Texas decathlete.
She knew right away when she crossed the line that she...
From her neighborhood, friends and family.